Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I have brought a very interesting video on how to create this stunning tsunami effect video using AI. For that, you need just one picture, that's it. So without wasting more time, let's dive in. Type RunwayML.com and log in. I have shared the link to RunwayML in the description. You can check it. Once you log in, it appears like this. This is the dashboard. In this, go to Generative Session. Regarding the credits, you can check them here by clicking on the credit icon. I'm not going to go into depth on that, so let's jump to our topic. Once the generative session opens, here it needs to drop the image. Before that, we need the prompt to generate the AI video. In another account, I have the prompt. Let's copy and paste it. Before going further, let me tell you how I created this prompt. I just uploaded an image for which I want to generate the video and asked ChatGPT to write the prompt for this image, and ChatGPT has shared this prompt. I'm not good at prompting to write myself, so I use ChatGPT. If you are good at prompt, then you can write it on your own. Okay, anyway, I'm just copying this prompt. Come back to RunwayML, drop the image. By clicking it, open the folder, select the image, and drop it here. And then crop the image part. After that, I will paste the prompt that I have copied from the ChatGPT. Then click on this Generate button. Wait for a few seconds. It will generate the video according to your prompt. Once you are satisfied with your output, add some sound effects and BG using editing software. I use the Premiere Pro. Whatever you prefer, use it. To download this video, click on this download icon. Also, you can create this into a 4K if you have a paid version, and also you can download it has GIF file as well. I hope this video is very useful to you. If yes, please do not forget to give the thumbs up for this video. For more videos, please subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification on my upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.